Sup YouTube, Forbos Filming back over here, and we have a package from Sony. It is the high-res 45 quality WH-900N, and it is the second flagship model from the WH series. Now, we're about to see if this $300 pair of headphones is going to be amazing or horrible or kind of in the between. Honestly, I'm hoping for one of the extreme ends. Now, let's get ready to unbox this pair of wireless headphones from Sony. So this is the Sony noise cancelling high-res Dolby Digital 45 headphones from the WH series. It's very sleek, has some degree of flexibility to it. It's not that heavy. For a wireless headphone, it's good. It's around the medium kind of weight, not too light, not too heavy. It's very comfortable to wear. We'll see how it stays once we use it for a while and really put it on our ears. Right now, I only put it on and I'm already seeing that there's a lot of lack of airflow in the ear cups. So it takes 6 hours to charge to a full battery, and once at full battery, it can give you 28 hours of battery life while at some degree of volume. This is available in 5 colors, which include Gimme Green, Horizon Green, Grayish Black, Pale Gold, and Twilight Red. So this Sony has a special series of touch controls found on all the WH series, including up to the 1000. So this is the 900, just to make sure. So it has touch controls which go up and down for volume, touch on the front to skip tracks, double tap to pause or play your song or other media content. And so now, everything we have reviewed about this headphone so far is pretty average for a headphone, for any headphone except $10 plastic ones. Now we get to the stuff that really makes this Sony what it is. It makes it unique. 3 unique outside-inside sound configurations make this Sony unique from the rest that pretend to be of its same class. So there is the ANC, or SANC. This sound mode cancels out literally everything that happens outside the headphones so that you can listen to your music comfortably. That is of course within reason. Don't expect for these to be canceling out the blast off of a rocket ship while you're right next to it. So this is the first sound configuration. Then there's the second sound configuration. Maybe you don't want to block out everything. Maybe you're listening to your music while walking on the street and you need to hear the oncoming car. So this has an ambient sound mode in where it lets essential sounds filter into the headphone. So it has a quick coverage mode where, let's say you're listening to music outside an office building and your boss walks right up. You don't want to take off your headphones, so you just cover your right ear cup with your palm. And for the time being, it filters out the music and the effect of having the headphones on so cleanly, at least that's what Sony claims, that it feels or sounds like as if you're not wearing anything at all and you can talk and communicate as normal. As soon as you remove your ear cup, everything reverts back to the stage it was before, and you can now continue listening to your music. Like I said, this third mode, this is what Sony claims to happen. We have to test this to see if it really works. The power of noise-canceling headphones. As if you don't have enough controls and bamboozles on your right ear cup, Sony has an easy-to-use app specifically for the WH series of headphones. And it's an easy-to-use and robust app. And it's also easily available for Android and iOS. You can put a bunch of filters on the song or media content that you're listening to right now. You can put a filter like as if you're in a classic piano room, or as if you're in a club, or whatever other filters are available on the app. And you can also set the equalizer, and along with those two extra functions, you can also do the same basic functions that you have access to on the right ear cup. Oh yeah, by the way, thanks for watching this 4 Bros filming video, and don't forget to subscribe. Feel free to check out some of our other videos about tech.